And another Aam Aadmi Party leader now finding himself in the midst of a controversy. Now, Himachal Pradesh Vigilance Bureau has recommended the state government confiscate land owned by Aam Aadmi Party leader Prashant Bhushan. Now, previous BJP government had allowed Bhushan to buy an open land, of course, for educational institution purpose, but the probe report says that there is no school or college that exists on the allotted land. In fact, I will try and go across to Meetu, but before that, the first reaction coming in from Prashant Bhushan himself. Let's listen in.
This is an old issue which is being repeatedly raised. When I filed a complaint with the CBI against Veerbhadra Singh, the issue was first raised. Then when I filed a writ petition in the High Court seeking a court-monitored investigation, the issue has been raised again. Then when the court starts hearing the matter next Wednesday, the issue has been raised a third time. Vigilance Bureau has said that it has nothing to do with this matter. This is not land which has been given to us by the government. It's a land which has been purchased regularly. Only government gave permission to use it for an institute. The institute has been set up. It's an institute of public policy and politics, which has been set up there, which is functioning, for which my father had donated 5 crores for this public charitable cause. All this is known to the government, yet again and again the same issue is just brought out.
Why do you think that's happening? Do you think it's a conspiracy? Do you think, or are you completely refuting the claims that are being made here?
It's an absurd case that is being made. The government itself has said that this is totally regular, that this land has been used for the purpose for which permission had been given. And yet this issue is being raised only in order to give an impression as if that the corruption allegations that I have made against Veerbhadra Singh are motivated by this, when in fact it's the other way around.
Well, Meetu Jain joining us live this evening to take us through the details of the case. Meetu, what are the charges against Prashant Bhushan? And his reply seems to be is that it's motivated. In fact, before we go across to Meetu Jain there, let's also listen in to the reaction, the first reaction coming in from the Himachal Pradesh government.
प्रशांत भूषण ने कोई एजुकेशन सोसाइटी के लिए टी स्टेट में चाय का बागान जो है, ज़मीन जो है, पिछली सरकार के वक्त धारा 118 की परमिशन लेकर के हासिल की है, और उसमें पीरियड होता है कि 2 साल के अंदर अंदर उनको उसमें कुछ न कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करनी पड़ती है। इसमें धारा 118 का वायलेशन भी है, और जो कानून है कि जो चाय के बागान हैं उनको दूसरे पर्पज़ के लिए नहीं दिया जा सकता। तो एक में इसमें 2 वायलेशन हुई है। एक तो पूरे समय के अंदर उन्होंने कोई वहाँ गतिविधि नहीं की है, कोई माइलस्टोन अचीव नहीं किया है। दूसरा, जो चाय बागान हैं उनको सिर्फ चाय के बगीचे के लिए आप दे सकते हैं डेवलप करने के लिए, लेकिन दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क के लिए या नेचर ऑफ लैंड को चेंज करने के लिए नहीं किया जा सकता। तो हमने डिप्टी कमिश्नर जो कांगड़ा है उनको कहा है कि इसकी आप जो है छानबीन करें। मेरी डिप्टी कमिश्नर कांगड़ा से बात हुई है, उन्होंने कहा हमने उनको नोटिस दिया है वायलेशन का, और अभी उन्होंने उसका जवाब नहीं दिया है। अभी उनके पास एक केस पेंडिंग है, और ये मैटर जो है कलेक्टर कांगड़ा की अदालत में है।
In fact, here's what the Himachal Vigilance Bureau has found as far as Prashant Bhushan is concerned. They say the government granted permission to purchase tea estate land to run an educational institute. But on the spot, the educational institute named as Sambhavna is neither a college nor a school. It is not an affiliated educational institute to any university or board. So it does not fall in the definition of education institute as per the letter of Directorate of Higher Education, Himachal Pradesh, dated 16th July 2013. Now,